friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025. Celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. We're on the electric line. Gorgeous evening, low wind, cool temperatures, no rain. Ground is finally starting to dry out. And on the controls is Jay, and that's his son Jay. And Jay Sr. is an airline pilot. And on the channel you'll also see a 66% scale BD5 that we shot earlier in the week at the Nall. This is a wonderful yak here. Might be FMS if I'm correct. Looks to be about a 90mm roughly. But nonetheless, folks, gorgeous jet. Neat looking jet. So folks, strap in tight. Put on your oxygen mask and enjoy the flight. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, heads up! Oh! Okay, alright, well, this happens. Well, sorry guys. This happens, folks. Sometimes it happens. Alright. Well, an airplane can be replaced or glued, but alright friends, that's enough right there. More to come.